Hey everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you an easy way to render videos with transparent backgrounds in After Effects 2020. In the previous version of After Effects, we used to have the ability to render RGB plus alpha in H.264. However, with the newest version of After Effects, that function is no longer available. Another thing that sucks with the new Mac update is that you can't even open video files when you render as an animation. I love Macs, but this feature totally sucks. After you finish your motion graphics animation, or whatever video you have that you want to preserve the transparent background, go on up to Composition and click Add to Render Queue. Select Lossless on the video that you are trying to render and set the format to QuickTime. Click Format Options and change the setting from Animation to Apple ProRes 444. Click OK and then change the channel settings to RGB plus alpha. Click OK again and render. Now take your animation and slap it wherever the heck you want. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and like this video so YouTube will show this video to other people who hate the new After Effects update. Comment down below what I can help y'all with next. Until next time, I'll see you later.